Children, in the last video, with some interesting examples, we learned how to use meter and why we use it. In this video, we will look at some of the misconceptions related to this. Chanda measured the size of the curtains with her measuring tape. When Chanda reached Badbole uncle's shop to get her curtains stitched, Golu was also there buying material for his shirt from uncle. Chanda saw that Golu asked uncle for a 1 meter long material and uncle cut the material as long as his arm length. Chanda was surprised. Chanda had got her measuring tape along. As soon as uncle cut Golu's material, she took that material from Golu and immediately measured it with her measuring tape. Children, is the material that was cut using uncle's arm length 1 meter long? No. Uncle gave 1 arm long material which is 1 meter and 5 centimeter long. Chanda explained to Chacha and Golu that the length of 1 arm varies for everyone, so they cannot use it to measure 1 meter. For example, the length of her 1 arm is not equal to the length of uncle's 1 arm, and the length of uncle's 1 arm is not the same as 1 meter. She told uncle that he should measure the material using his measuring tape. Both Golu and uncle understood this. Chanda gave uncle the measurement of her curtains and returned to her home. After returning home, Chanda measured her pencil with a ruler in such a way and found that the pencil is 10 centimeter in length. Then she measured the length of her roof with her measuring tape and found that the roof was 10 meters long. Chanda started thinking that the length of both her roof and pencil is 10 and 10. So, are they both of the same length? What do you think, children? Is Chanda's thinking correct? No. Chanda's pencil is 10 centimeter in length, while her roof is 10 meters in length. And children, you know how many centimeters is equal to 1 meter? Exactly, 100 centimeters. And the length of roof is 10 meters. So the length of the roof is 10 meters and the length of the pencil is 10 centimeters, which means the roof is bigger than the pencil. Chanda understood this also, and she went to bring her curtains from uncle's shop. Children, in this video, we learnt what is a meter and how is a meter used, and about the misconceptions related to it.